So as you know, like yesterday we were covering some of the examples of masculine and feminine noun. And I told you many of the examples are still left, right? So let's start practicing with those examples which is still left. So we have covered a bachelor spinsters yesterday. We have covered many examples yesterday. Now we are going to cover a different examples. I hope you guys can see my screen now. Okay, so we will start from here. That is first thing which we need to cover, that is poet. Anybody is here who will tell me the difference between the poet and author? What is the difference between a poet and author? Any idea? See guys, poet is a one who is writing a poem, and author is a one who is
Poet makes the poems and author writes the stories.
Exactly. Author is the one who is writing stories, and poet is the one who is writing poems. So now, when a poet is a person who is writing poem, when a poet is a male person, we generally call them poet. But when a poet is female, we call them poetess. When an author is a male person, we generally call them author. But when an author is a female person, we generally call them authoress. So there is always be a difference between a masculine noun and a feminine noun. Once it is a masculine noun, it is a poet. And when it comes to a feminine noun, it should be a poetess. Then author. When author is a masculine noun, feminine noun, it should be authoress. Conductor. We always have a conductor in our bus, right? But when the conductor is female, we generally call conductoress. Conductor, conductor. Oh, sorry, it's conductor. In the first, I wrote the wrong spelling. It should be conductor. Okay, Obad, my voice is breaking for you only and for everyone.
No, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Okay, so Obad, that is your network issue then. Okay, so conductor, conductoress. Similarly, waiter, if a waiter is a male person, who is waiter? जिनसे हम रेस्टोरेंट में मिलते हैं, जो हमें खाना सर्व करते हैं. अगर वो लोग लड़की हैं, तो we generally call them waiteress. If they are a boy, if they are a masculine noun, we generally call them poet. Waiter. But if they are a girl, we generally call them waiteress. Similarly, tiger. If tiger is a male, we call it tiger. But if it is a female, we call it tigeress. Similarly, lion, lioness. Lioness, lion, lioness. I wanted you to write this in your copy. So these are the examples which we need to practice. Poet, poetess, author, authoress, conductor, conductoress, waiter, waiteress. And there is another example, that is manager. Manager. You always heard about that. Like a big organization or any organization, we have a manager. Who is a manager? Who is managing everything. So if manager is a male person, he is manager. And when it is a female person, we generally call them manageress. Manager, manageress. So when it comes to manager, it should be manager and manageress. Male manager, female manageress. Similarly, lion, lioness, tiger, tigeress. These examples we need to cover. Kindly write these examples in your copy. By that time, I'll check if someone is there or not. Yes, it's male, female means masculine and feminine noun. Yesterday we were practicing that, right? And I told you few examples are left which we need to cover by tomorrow. So today we are covering the example which was left yesterday. कल कुछ examples बचे थे मैंने आपको कहा था
examples we have to continue down only.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can write on fresh page also, no?
Yes.
It is completed.
Okay,
I'm
that's
done.
fine. Okay. Now you guys need to give me some sentence examples. From the word which we are covering today, what are the words we have covered today, right? Only those examples you need to give me. You all need to give me some sentence example. Let me check if someone is waiting there. No. Let's continue with the example. Sentence example of only those words which we are covering now. The poetess is writing poems. Very good. Other examples? The tiger and tigress love their children. Correct. In the zoo, I see lion and tiger. Okay. Correct. In the zoo, I saw, because आपने अभी नहीं देखा, आपने देखा था. You are mentioning that. You have seen that before, not now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I saw lioness in the forest, correct? Can I get few more examples quickly? By the time I'll check if someone is waiting there or not. What about others today? Many of the students are absent. The hotel manager is so rude, correct? The hotel manager is so rude. Absolutely correct. Conductor is conducting the passengers. Very good. Okay, what kind of noun is passenger? Is passenger is a masculine noun or a feminine noun? Any idea?
No, if there is a male, so it is masculine noun, and if it is female, so it will be feminine noun.
Very good. So here, this is a common gender noun, which we haven't covered yet.
Yes. Okay.
Now we will cover common gender noun. Common gender noun. What is common gender noun? Anyone of you who know about that? Hmm? It is a word that is used to name a common gender, are called common gender noun. It means दोनों ही कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन करता है, एक नहीं, दोनों ही कैरेक्टर को डिफाइन करता है। जैसे कि मैंने कहा टीचर, इन द होटल ताजमहल the manager is very nice. Okay, correct. Now see here, common gender noun. It is a word. It is a word that is used to name a common gender. कैसे common gender? जैसे कि मैंने कहा parent. पेरेंट वर्ड से आप डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते कि आप फादर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या आप मदर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। अब मैं एक वर्ड बोलती टीचर, अगर मैं सर या मैम बोल रही हूँ तो आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि सर मेल पर्सन है, मैम फीमेल है। बट अगर मैं सिर्फ टीचर बोल रही हूँ तो विद द सिंगल वर्ड ऑफ टीचर यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ मेल पर्सन और अ फीमेल पर्सन, राइट?
Yes.
These things you need to focus on. Similarly, passenger, जो थोड़ी देर पहले हमने पढ़ा था एग्जाम्पल पैसेंजर, पैसेंजर वर्ड से आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा पैसेंजर सिंगल पर्सन है या प्लूरल पर्सन है, सॉरी मेल पर्सन है या फीमेल पर्सन है। सो पैसेंजर आपको क्या हुआ? कॉमन जेंडर नाउन। लॉयर, with the single word of lawyer you won't understand. Doctor, with the single word of doctor you won't understand. So इस तरह के जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं जिसके एक सिंगल वर्ड से आप नहीं बता सकते कि आप मेल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या फीमेल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वो होता है कॉमन जेंडर नाउन। इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check then. Yes, two people are waiting here. Okay, let's continue again. Okay, so you have seen that, right? Now you all need to give me some sentence examples of
I
common
think
gender.
दीदी को नाश्ता को बोल रहे थे।
Nashta, mute your call. Okay, guys. Now you need to give me an example of common gender noun. All the examples you need to give me of common gender noun. I'm waiting for the examples. Kindly give me quickly. Yes, guys, I'm waiting for the sentence examples. Kindly give me the sentence examples here. Just now we have covered the common gender noun, right? Like I'll give you an example. Passengers are waiting for the train in railway station. So what I'm doing here, I'm using a word passenger. Similarly, you have to frame an example of parents, teachers, engineer, lawyer, many of the words we have here. The flowers are beautiful in look of the gardener. In look of the gardener, it should not be there. The flowers are beautiful. Okay, correct. Manager is managing the male and female in office. So see, manager is managing his staff at office. If you use staff word with the word of staff, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा आप सिंगुलर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं प्लूरल, लेकिन आप मेल और फीमेल बोल रहे हो तो आपको पता चल रहा है मेल आपका मस्कुलाइन है, फीमेल आपका फेमिनाइन है। अगर आप स्टाफ वर्ड यूज करेंगे तो यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड। The people are going together to the bus station, correct? So many people are there in the sale. The lawyer, spelling you need to focus on. The lawyer is in the courtroom, correct? Let me check if someone is there. Yes. Our parents love us very much. Not to love us very much. Remaining example is very good. Okay. Now you all need to give me an example of passenger.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. You all need to give me an example of passenger. The students are, yes, student is also a common gender noun because with the single word of student, you won't understand you are talking about a male person or a female person. guys, can I get examples quickly? In the train, there are too many passengers. Very good. Guys, quickly give me an example of passengers. Guys, what happened today? The passenger is standing in the bus. Okay, correct. We can frame this example here. The tiger is boning the babies. Okay, passengers are very intelligent. The passengers are in the bus. The total number of passengers it should be. Okay, let's move to the another word here. You all need to give me an example of engineer, because if you use a word engineer, you will also not understand that you are talking about a male person or a female person. So that is the reason you have to use a word engineer here. I am a passenger, correct? Okay, now you guys need to give me an example of engineer. The passenger bus is going to Hyderabad. The bus is going to Hyderabad with passengers, you can say. The passengers bus will not be there. Okay, guys. So let's move to the another chapter here. I'm just checking. Someone is here or not? No, nobody is waiting. Let's move to the another chapter here. See, we have covered the types of noun. We have covered the forms of noun. So the noun portion is entirely completed. So we need to start with the pronouns. Right now we are going to cover some of the words. Engineers worked very hard in the Hyderabad. The engineers are very costly in Hyderabad, not in the Hyderabad, in Hyderabad. Engineers are very costly. My brother is a civil engineer. अगर आप civil नहीं लिखते तो आप an engineer लिखते हैं. But आपने civil mention किया है, so आपको mention करना है is a. My brother is a civil engineer. My maternal uncle is an engineer. My uncle is an engineer. Okay? Okay, guys. Let's move to the another part now. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कुछ words. Now we are going to cover some of the words here. The first word which we are going to cover today, that is, हमने introvert पढ़ा था. Do you remember that word? Do we have covered a word introvert? नहीं पढ़ा था? Okay. So we will cover that word today. This is a very good word. I wanted you all to concentrate. Okay. Introvert. Introvert means a person who is very shy. A person who is very shy. कोई इंसान जो बहुत शर्माता है, हमारे घर पे या हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल पे हमारा एक ऐसा फ्रेंड होता है जो बहुत ज्यादा शर्माता है, ज्यादा किसी से बात नहीं करता, ज्यादा किसी से खुलता मिलता नहीं है, सिर्फ काम से काम रखता है, राइट? दे आर नॉट रूड. वो लोग रूड नहीं होते, उनका बिहेवियर ही ऐसा होता है. डू यू गेट माई पॉइंट हियर? So a person who is not talking much with others, a person who want to live with themselves only, जिनको किसी से ज्यादा बात करना पसंद नहीं है, जो हमेशा खामोश रहते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं introvert. Those kind of people we generally call them introvert. So now you guys need to give me an example of introvert. Introvert is a very good word. I'll give you some example. My friend is an introvert girl. मैं introvert use कर रही हूँ तो मैं an use कर रही हूँ. The bride in the marriage is introvert. The bride in the marriage is introvert. Okay, another example. Can I get very good example, Firdaus? Can I get another example? The girl is very introvert, correct? Okay, Obad, you just joined soon. Let me check if someone is here. No. Okay. Humad is very introvert, correct? Yes, guys. Can I get examples quickly? You guys are giving me you guys are giving me a very good examples here. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Can I get few more examples quickly? अब मैं आपको कुछ और examples देती हूँ. जैसे कि it is difficult to be a friend of an introvert girl. It is difficult to be a friend of an introvert girl. This world is introvert. My friend is very introvert. My maternal aunt's daughter देखिए आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे आपको apostrophe s ऐसे करना है. In this way you have to do apostrophe s. Where is that? Aisha. My aunt's daughter is introvert. Is an introvert. आपका sentence बिल्कुल सही है. My sister is an introvert. My brother is an introvert. Her friend is an introvert. Okay guys, अब हम पढ़ेंगे एक और example, that is extrovert. Before that, I'll check if someone is there or not. No. Let's move to the vocabulary again. Extrovert. EXTROVERT. My sister is an introvert. Very good. Extrovert. A person. This is directly opposite for that. A person who talks a lot. एक ऐसा इंसान जो बहुत ज्यादा बात करता है. It is not an introvert bird. Okay. एक ऐसा इंसान जो बहुत ज्यादा बात करता है. जैसे हमारे पास कुछ फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, लाइक हिंदी में बोलते हैं मुंह फट, कहीं भी कुछ भी बोल देना, सोचना नहीं बोलने से पहले. ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं, राइट? कभी हमारे फैमिली में होते हैं, कभी हमारे फ्रेंड सर्कल में होते हैं, कभी हम उनको जानते हैं. तो इस तरह के लोग भी होते हैं. एक होता है जो बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोलता, बहुत कम बोलता है, जो इंट्रोवर्ट जो हमने पढ़ा. एक होता है एक्सट्रोवर्ट, अ पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग अ लॉट and they don't even think what they are speaking, in front of whom they are talking, किसके सामने बात कर रहे हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हैं. They doesn't care for that. So वैसे लोगों को हम बोलते हैं extrovert. So the shopper is introvert. The shopkeeper is introvert. My friends are an extrovert, correct? Sanya is very extrovert, correct? So any example which you wanted to frame, अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा बात करता है आप उसको extrovert बोल सकते हैं. अगर कोई बहुत कम बात करता है आप उसको introvert बोल सकते हैं. इसके बाद थोड़े examples practice करने के बाद मैं आपको एक बहुत ही interesting word पढ़ाऊंगी. Nobody is waiting here. Okay. Okay, so I hope introvert and extrovert आप सभी के लिए clear हो गया. My paternal grandmother is very extrovert, correct? अच्छा, अब जब आप लोग introvert या extrovert word use कर रहे हैं, आप लोग कोशिश करिए कि आप लोग very use करना avoid करें. Okay? Avoid using very in your sentence. क्योंकि extrovert का मतलब ही है बहुत ज्यादा बात करना, तो इसलिए हम वेरी यूज नहीं करेंगे. वेरी यूज करने से हमारा सेंटेंस बहुत ही कॉमन लगने लगता है, जबकि ये वर्ड्स बहुत ही अच्छे और एडवांस वर्ड्स हैं जो आपको नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन में भी हेल्प बहुत ज्यादा करेंगे. सो एक्सट्रोवर्ट, इंट्रोवर्ट. मैं आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप एक छोटी सी कॉपी मेंटेन करें जिसमें आप वर्ड्स लिखें, तो कभी भी आपको जरूरत होगा या कुछ होगा तो आप वो वर्ड्स ओपन कर सकते हैं. एक कोई भी छोटी कॉपी या कॉपी के पीछे आप वर्ड्स मेंटेन करें. इट वुड बी इजी फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द वर्ड. अब हम लोग किस तरह के इंसान हैं? माय कजिन्स आर इंट्रोवर्ट. वेरी गुड आयशा. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पीपल वी आर? हम अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन रिएक्ट करते हैं. जब हमको लगता है कि बात करना चाहिए हम बात करते हैं. जब हमको लगता है कि हमें चुप रहना चाहिए हम चुप रहते हैं. So according to the situation हम react करते हैं. हमारे घर पे गेस्ट आए हैं, अगर हमको लगता है कि हाँ मेरे पेरेंट्स ने कहा जाओ उनसे बात करो, तो मैं बात करूंगी, बट मैं खुद से बात नहीं कर सकती, मेरा वैसा नेचर नहीं है, आपका भी वैसा नेचर नहीं है, राइट? जहाँ पे जरूरत है हम वहां पे बात करेंगे, जहाँ पे नहीं है वहां पे हम खामोश रहेंगे. So what kind of people we are? We behave according to the situation. So we are ambivert. This is a very interesting word. Ambivert. So what kind of person we are? We are ambivert. A person who reacts according to the situation. When there is a need to speak, they usually speak. When they should not speak, they should not speak. The girl is very extrovert. Okay. In the park, I meet a girl is extrovert. Avoid using very. Very wrong नहीं है आपके sentence में, but आप कोशिश करिए कि आप very use नहीं करें. Okay, guys, in 7 minutes, this meeting will end up and you all have to rejoin again as soon as possible. Heba ma'am is an ambivert. Oh, thank you so much, Zaima.
Ma'am, come.
Okay, so today, as we have less student, we will do one activity here. Okay, everybody needs to perform. Let Ubad join. Yes, he is joined. So my first question is for Ubad. Okay, Ubad, what is your complete name and what is the meaning of your name? And do you like your name?
Ma'am, my total name was
My complete name is. Okay, what is your complete name? Could you please repeat it? Be interactive, guys. आप सभी को बात करना है. You have to speak in English, and we will just try to make this session interactive. Yes, Ubad. So, what is your complete name?
Ma'am, my complete name was Abdul Rahman Ubaid.
Your complete name is Abdul Rahman Ubad. Okay, so Ubad, what is the meaning of this name, Ubad?
Abdul.
Ubad, your voice is breaking a lot.
No, ma'am.
Okay, do you know the meaning of your name?
Abdul Rahman is Azaz's name, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Ubad, may I know your hobbies? Like, what is your hobbies? What are your hobbies, Ubad? The clock
My
is
hobby is playing games, out games.
Okay, Zaima, not an issue. See here, the clock is an extrovert. Clock extrovert नहीं हो सकता because extrovert we only use for humans. So for living thing, we cannot use for a non-living thing. But that is a very good try. इसलिए मैं बोलती हूँ आप लोग sentence बनाइए, जितना mistake होगा उतना आप लोग improve करेंगे. That would be better. Okay, so Afan, now your turn. Afan, may I know your complete name and what is the meaning of your name?
Ma'am, my complete name is Sayyid Afan Ali. And ma'am, I don't know my name meaning.
Okay, who gave this name to you?
Ma'am, my mother.
Your mother gave the. Do you like your name?
Yes, ma'am, I like.
Okay, Afan, may I know your hobbies?
Ma'am, my hobby is playing cricket and solving math questions and writing.
Okay, so I need to check your maths results then, right? Okay, I was kidding. So Afan, my hobbies are, क्योंकि आप एक हॉबी से ज्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट? अगर आप एक हॉबी बताएंगे तो आप यूज करेंगे my hobby is. अगर आप एक से ज्यादा बताएंगे तो आप बोलेंगे my hobbies are. Okay, guys, मैं जिसको भी करेक्ट करूंगी आप सबको वो पॉइंट्स गैदर करने हैं, ठीक है? Okay, now let's move to the Amina. Amina, may I know your complete name and the meaning of your name?
Yes, ma'am. Amina Bisma.
Okay, what is the meaning of your name?
Ma'am, I don't know in English.
Okay, could you please tell me in Hindi?
Amina means Aman Wali.
Okay, that's beautiful. It means a believer, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what are your hobbies, Amina?
My hobby is painting.
Okay, your hobbies are painting. One day, will you show me your paintings?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now let's move to Aisha. Thank you so much, Amina, for your time. Let's move to Aisha. Aisha, may I know the meaning of your name and your hobbies?
Ma'am, that is ma'am. My full name is Aisha Sharmeen, and that is our prophet.
That is a
Wife's name. That's why prophet wife's name. That's why my father kept.
Okay, very good, beautiful. Now tell me, do you have a hobbies?
Yes, ma'am. My hobby is to read novels.
Okay, very good. Which standard that you are in?
I'm in 6th standard.
Okay, still you are reading novels. When I was in 6th, I used to play a lot.
Huh.
That's great. Okay, let's move to the Farha Khanam. Yes, Farha, may I know the meaning of your name and your hobbies?
My name is Happiness, and my hobby is to draw.
Your hobby is to
Draw.
Okay, that's great. Which standard that you are in?
I'm in 7th standard.
That's really great. Okay, so which is your favorite subject?
Maths.
Maths. So everybody who is in this class, they are maths lover, I guess.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, I am science lover. Ma'am, I am science lover.
Who is that science lover? May I know his name?
Ma'am, Aisha.
Oh, Aisha.
History.
You are a science lover. That's great.
And ma'am, I am English.
Engineers and
English.
doctors are in the same group. English.
And maths.
Okay, so English is my partner. Who is from English?
I'm Shahrin.
Shahrin. Okay, Shahrin. That's really great. Okay. Now let's move to guys. In 2 minutes, this call will end up automatically and we all need to rejoin again. Okay? By that time, I'll ask some questions to Muhammad. Oh, where is his name?
Ubada.
I don't know where he gone. Okay, yes, Ubada.
Yes, ma'am.
May I know the meaning of your name? It's quite uncommon name, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
May I know the meaning of your name?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't know in English. Can you tell in Hindi?
Yes, of course.
Allah की इबादत करने वाला.
Okay, just try to tell me the same thing in English.
The one who praise Allah.
Very good. That you also know in English, right? That's really great. Okay, may I know your hobbies?
Ma'am, my hobbies are I like gaming and cycling.
Okay, very good. That's really great. Okay. What is your favorite subject then?
Thank you.
Okay, guys, automatically this
history
call will
and science.
OMG history. Okay, guys, in a few seconds, this call will end up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Redmi, may I know your name?
Zoha Azniza.
Okay. So you just recollect the things which we have. Please मुझे आप लोग inform करिएगा, okay?
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
That you have done with you. And Usma, kindly unmute yourself and give me the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Usma, kindly unmute yourself and give me the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aisha. Yes, Zaima, I'll ask you. Yes, Uzma. May I know the complete name of yours and do you like your name?
My complete name is Uzma Amri.
Okay.
I
Okay,
like my
Uzma.
name.
Okay. So if you have an option to change your name, would you like to change your name?
No,
Okay, that's really great. So what are your hobbies, Uzma?
I'm reading books, stories. I'm playing horror stories, reading horror stories, playing,
My God.
reading.
So you are reading a horror story. It means the word which we have covered yesterday, wizard and witch, you should learn that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's really great. Okay. Now, Zaima, I have some questions for you. As you are giving me the written answers, so I'll just open this part. Redmi, I don't know your name, so everything was erased from the group. You need to recollect all the notes from your friends. Okay. So, Zaima, may I know the meaning of your name? Zaima, you can also do one thing. If you don't have headphone, you can just unmute yourself and you just give me the answers. That would be better. Okay, no problem. You just give me the answers, Zaima. Okay, so what I will do, I'll ask you the questions by tomorrow. You just be prepared for the questions. I'll ask you, like, whenever we start our class, I'll ask you the questions then. Okay, because it is an interactive sessions, I wanted you to speak there. Or else you take some time for 10 minutes at least. If you spare some place where you can talk, you just tell me. I'll ask you the questions at that point of the time. Okay, so let's move to the another questions here. Arshia. Arshia, may I know the complete name of yours and your hobbies? Arshia? Okay. Then I think Arshia is not available here. Aisha, I have done with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Farha, I am done with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Redmi, let's start with you. First, you just tell me about your name. What is
My
your
name
name?
is Zohar Mirza.
Zohar.
Zoha.
Zoha. Okay. Zoha, may I know the meaning of your name? Quickly, guys, we have many students. May I know the meaning of your name? Zoha, kindly response. You have texted me something. Okay, no problem. Your hobbies, may I know your hobbies, Zoha?
To play kabaddi.
Oh my God, playing kabaddi. That's great. Okay. Shireen, we have done with you or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with you. So, Shireen Firdaus, kindly let me know about the meaning of your name and you also need to tell me your hobbies.
Ma'am, my name is Shahrin Firdos and my name meaning is Sweet Paradise.
Wow, that's great. Okay. Now tell
And
me
my
your
hobby is street English stories.
Wow, English stories. That's really great. Do you have any other hobby apart from this?
No.
That's great. Okay, guys, one thing I wanted to suggest you all, whenever you are talking about your hobbies, always try to give a reason with that. Because from our childhood, we are talking about the same hobby. I like this, I like that. I'll just give you one example. Like if somebody asks me, what is your hobby, Heba? I'll say my hobbies include playing chess. It means I'll just give you the answer with a reason. My hobbies include playing chess because it's make me feel fresh. At the same time, I love to do craft activity because I'm very much inclined towards that. What I am doing, मैंने कुछ भी different use नहीं किया. मैंने एक हॉबी बताया, हॉबी के साथ रीजन बताया. अगर मुझे चेस खेलना पसंद है तो क्यों पसंद है, अगर मुझे लाइक क्राफ्ट करना पसंद है तो क्यों पसंद है. All these things I mentioned and I requested you all to mention the same. Okay.
What is the meaning of craft?
Craft means in craft many things
Okay.
come across like painting, decorative bottles and many things comes across. कोई भी चीज जो आप बेस से बनाते हैं उसको क्राफ्ट बोलते हैं. Many things. Sorry. आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा आपकी. Could you please speak a bit louder?
Ma'am, in YouTube channel is there 5 minutes craft like that only?
Not 5 minutes craft. My craft is almost for 12 hours.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, the same kind of इसको craft बोलते हैं. कोई भी waste चीज से अगर आप कोई अच्छा चीज बना रहे हैं, that comes under the category of craft. Shiza, you have texted me many things. I just need to check. What is this, Shiza? Who is sending this? Okay, Zaima, I'll ask you some questions.
Ma'am, can I ask you
Ma'am,
something?
you're also playing. May I know your name?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can ask me something. May I know your name?
Ma'am, Aisha.
Yes, Aisha. Sure, you can ask me.
Ma'am, what is your name meaning?
The meaning of my name is gift. So
Wow,
what I am a
mashallah.
gift for my parents.
Wow, ma'am. Nice. Yeah, ma'am, you are
Yes?
Ma'am, shall I tell in Hindi?
Yes, ask me in Hindi, then we will make the question in English. Okay? First, you ask me in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am. आप from Allah आप हमारे वास्ते गिफ्ट है पढ़ाने आए तो हमारे.
अच्छा, thank you so much. That's really great. अब same चीज English में बोलिए.
Ma'am, you are a gift from Lord to study.
Oh, thank you so much. देखिए आपने English
To
में
teach
बोला.
us. To teach us.
आपको अब से yes, so अब से आपको English में ही बोलना है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
आपको तो खुद से इंग्लिश में फ्रेम किया, मैंने तो आपकी हेल्प भी नहीं की. यू डिड इट वेरी वेल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आई थिंक इज दिस अफान, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच अफान फॉर योर कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताइए मैंने किससे किससे क्वेश्चंस नहीं पूछे.
Ma'am.
यस, ज़ैनब आपसे नहीं पूछा, आई गेस, राइट?
Ma'am, I want to see your face.
Okay. Zainab, let's start with you. So, may I know? Okay, Zaima, after Zainab, I'll ask you. So, I want you. Oh, thank you so much. That's really very good compliment, Shireen. Okay, so let's move to the Zainab. Zainab, may I know the meaning of your name?
My name meaning wealth.
Yes, Zainab. Okay, Zainab, tell me about your hobbies. Like, what are your hobbies?
So, yeah, to read books and why? Because I feel refreshed when I read the books and playing interesting games.
Okay, well, what kind of interesting games that you love to play? Okay, you are much inclined towards playing indoor games or outdoor games? Okay. Okay, Zaima, let's start with you. Now, Zaima, may I know the meaning of your name? As I like your name a lot, it's quite uncommon name for me.
To reading.
Okay, to reading. That's great. So may I know your hobbies, Zaima?
My hobbies are to read Quran, English topics, art and crafts.
Very nice. That's really great. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Zaima. It's really great. Now, any one of you who is left for speaking?
Ma'am.
Your name? आप में से कौन बचा है स्पीकिंग के लिए? मुझे आपकी आवाज बहुत स्लो आ रही है, आप जो भी बात कर रहे हैं. I cannot hear you properly, बेटा.
Ma'am, I think Sheikh Atif.
Atif. Okay, Atif, are you ready? Atif, are you comfortable and ready? Okay, I think Atif is not ready. No problem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are ready? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
kindly let me know about your name. मुझे आपका पूरा नाम जानना है. I wanted to know your entire name.
Ma'am, my name is Sheikh Atif Ahmed.
Okay, may I know the meaning of your name?
I'm kind you.
Very good, amazing meaning. Okay, so may I know your hobbies, Atif?
Ma'am, my hobby is
Yes, your hobbies are. Your hobbies are
cycling, ma'am.
cycling. Okay, only one hobby you have?
No, ma'am. I second hobby is playing Free Fire.
Okay, that's great. So, what is your favorite subject, Atif?
Ma'am, science.
Amazing. So, only science and math students are available here, I guess. That's great because these two subjects are very important for us.
Ma'am, English also there, no?
Yes, English. My partner English is also here. Okay, that's really great.
English
guys.
also is
Anyone
there,
else who is left?
Ma'am,
Yes.
and English
Okay,
is
you
also
also love
important to
English?
us.
Yes, English is also very important
So
for us.
important, why? Because, ma'am, we talk in English only, no?
Yes, it is important to speak in English these days.
Yes, we have to speak in English, no?
Yes, it is very, very important. And I requested you all to speak in English when you will meet. This time we don't have schools, right? But when the school
Yes,
will
ma'am.
open, you all should speak in English together. And you need to start speaking in English in your home because such
Okay,
things
ma'am.
will help you a lot.
Inshallah, ma'am. Yes.
Very good. Any doubts? Any words which you don't know how to frame a sentence example, you can ask. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right here to help you for that. Okay. Anybody else who is left?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. New Academy.
Okay. I think this one is left. Alwan.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Alwan is?
Alwan and Rahil.
Rahil Bhaiya. Where is Rahil Bhaiya? Yes. Rahil and Alwan. Any one of you, could you please come? Could you please unmute your call? I'll ask you some questions. See guys, now I am familiar with all of you. अब मैं आप सबको जान गई हूँ, right? So from next time when I am telling you to give me a sentence examples, I wanted you all to participate equally. अगर आपका sentence wrong है, spelling wrong से कोई problem नहीं है. अगर आप गलती करेंगे तो ही आप सीखेंगे. So you all need to perform very well. Okay? मैं नहीं चाहती एक दो इंसान ही मुझे सेंटेंस एग्जांपल दे. आई नीड जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स क्लास में हैं सबको मुझे सेंटेंस एग्जांपल्स देने हैं. Because always speaking तो possible नहीं है, right? Because many students we have in the class. So fortunately we get some time today and we spoke together. So that is the reason you all need to give a quick and a good sentence examples every day. There is no say. Again I repeat it. You are very fortunate.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much. I am very fortunate to teach you all. And even I am
Yes, ma'am.
enjoying teaching you all.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, any doubts? See guys, we have covered the entire part today. Okay, entire noun today. From Monday, like from next class, whenever we have, you all need to join. Nobody needs to miss their classes, because from next class we are going to start pronoun. And pronoun is also very important. Okay?
Ma'am,
You
today
all
is my birthday. Can you like to wish me?
Yes, definitely. I'll wish you, Aisha. Wish you a many, many happy returns of the day. May God always bless you.
Thank you
You
so
don't
much,
inform
ma'am.
me before.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't inform me before. I wish you before that.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no problem. Have you, like, do you have a plan of party?
No, ma'am. I'm at grandmother's house. That's why just cooking biryani.
That's great. You are cooking biryani.
No, ma'am. My mother.
Okay, that's great. So you will not invite us. We all wanted to come there. We are 16 members. Tell your mom to prepare something for us as well.
Okay, ma'am. You can come, of course, ma'am.
I will come with all my students, 16 members. We all will come.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I was kidding, but wish you a many, many happy returns of the day for your birthday. And may God bless you. And may God always keep you happy.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, guys, so we'll wind up this session here. And I requested all to meet me again in the fresh session with a fresh mood. And it's really nice to talk to you all.
Ma'am, please read the messages, ma'am.
Okay, I'll read the messages. Oh my God, 18 messages. Please. You want to see me in next class, inshallah? You will see me. Inshallah, for sure, you will see me in next class. Okay, guys. Okay? Have a good day. Enjoy your classes. Practice well. That is very important for you all.